Radio Engineering, Graphics and Design learners, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough the SANS document. This document is available as a download shortly. If you're watching this live, it will be in a moment. We've got symbols that you're going to require to be able to identify and apply in the upcoming exams. I've done a couple of shorts on this, but in this video, there's going to be a bit more detail discussed. So the first one is the north arrow, which you must be able to draw correctly as given. Then there is quite a number of colors when we are doing materials on floor plans and elevations. For instance, new masonry is red, concrete, new concrete is green, new iron or steel blue, new wood yellow, new glass black, existing materials are grey. When we get to site plans, proposed work, that's new work, will be colored in red. Existing work is not colored, and any work that is demolished is going to be with this chain line as indicated. Then your drainage and installation contemplated in Regulation A2 speaks to drainage and soil pipes. When specifically talking about drainage, must be brown. Waste pipes will be green. Soil and combined vents red. Waste vents blue, etc. The first ones here, I think, is probably the most important. On the next page, it details fixtures and fittings. And these, of course, again, must be able to draw freehand. And you need to be able to draw both of these. So on the view or on a plan, a floor plan, you'll have the bath. There's the outlet. It's basically the top view of the bath, and this is the view of the elevation or the front view or side view. You see the angled area there of the bath. And so you can go through this document and look at the bidet. Again, it would basically stand on the floor there if you want to understand how that is placed. You've got a shower and a shower pan. You've got a single sink and its view in the elevation. You've got your double sink with its view, a wall-mounted urinal. You've got a single urinal. Make sure you understand and remember this view on the elevation. You've got then a wash basin, and the difference between a wash tub and a wash basin, that one is important for you. And then, of course, the most common one is the water closet or the actual toilet. All right. Then there's going to be electrical symbols that you have to understand and be able to apply. We've got our DB board, earth, electrical watt meter, and then your different single pole. The only difference here is the number of switches it is on these light switches. Then you've got a two-way switch. You've got one that's got a dimmer or a resistor in, an outlet socket without a switch, and this one has the switch with it, emergency light, and then your fluorescent lights. Make sure you label how many fluorescent tubes and the wattage of each. They will specify this. You've got your ceiling mounted lamp and your wall mounted lamp. All right, let's continue here on a couple of others. Again, the north point indicated. Then you've got a ramp. Let's say there's an incline of 1 to 10. You remember there's a dot with a straight line, and then the arrow. The arrow leads to the top of this ramp. The same with the stairs. Don't get confused between the two. Then you've got your graphical symbols for drainage. The drain is a chain line with a single dot. You've got a grease trap, the gully. And look at the difference between the soil and water drain. They haven't asked this often, but it might be in this paper that they do specify the difference, and you need to be able to know the difference. All right, then frequently used symbols and components and materials. Just the abbreviations here. We've got the B for bath, built-in cupboard is a common one, BT for the bidet, DPC, you know, the G for gully, ground line, inspection chamber. You've got the inspection eye here, manhole, rotting eye, rainwater downpipe, shower, sink, wash basin, and water closet. All of these important to note. Then on the water supply, again, a couple of them here, check valve, draw off trap. You can look through that, but the important three is the water cistern, the water meter here, make sure you can identify that, and the water storage tank. And then additional symbols is the NTS, not to scale, stormwater drain, I think pay note on this one, the urinal, the waste pipe, and the water through. On the last page in civil is specified, sorry about that, the different materials and how you indicate them. Of course, undisturbed earth, the earth fill here, hardcore. Some variations in this will be accepted come the final. Of course, this is the SANS. You're going to draw this in freehand. So remember the triangles on your concrete. Undressed wood, the dressed wood. This is the one that you're going to use most common because it's wood that is used for your wall plates, your purlins, etc. And then the difference between common brick and face brick. Only difference here, if they specify face brick, remember a single line all the way in between every double line. All right, that's a quick talk through the symbols that you can expect in your civil papers. I hope it's been some benefit to you. All the best, and absolutely smack these upcoming exams. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn.